here for sure.
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if we can get into this big zone, this big building. Like these smaller buildings are probably accessible, but they're also probably like thrashed by homeless people and just random people that come here like us.
Yeah, but we're not about that business, bro. We just wanting to see what's happening.
Yeah, we just want to explore and document it for anyone that's interested. Oh, there's like a power cable here. Do you think they have like power inside this? It actually goes up, the power cable. Maybe they have power. Oh shit. Dog. Yeah, let's be quiet while he chills. Guys, someone's snoring here. I think there's a homeless person snoring in this building. Dude, come back. Someone's snoring in here. Dude, come back, you fucking idiot. Okay, guys. There's definitely someone sleeping in here. And I really doubt it's the owner. Oddly pristine. Oddly pristine, apparently. So, and I really doubt this house is any different. Okay. Should we scout in the?
Scout how?
No.
Anything that way?
The bigger building. I thought I heard something, but I don't know. I guess we just go in. Be very quiet. Counteract them sneaker. Let's see. What are the hobos studying? F of x equals sin x. That looks insane, dude. Holy fuck. That looks fucking nuts. That doesn't look safe. Holy shit. There's like a fucking... This is actually a fucking house, dude. Damn. Someone took a mean shit in here, bro. This is me. Airbag stuff. Oh my god. Dude, was there? Dude. Front door open internally. Was it the gate? I don't know if that's the wind, bro. Dude. Stop. Oh, it's this window that's doing the sound. But it's not in sync with the wind. It's so confusing. At least we figured it out. There's no one here. It's just this weird window. A little bathroom.